Hello, I'm Brad Green, and I'm one of the attorneys at King & Green. We wanted to take a moment to put a video blog on our Facebook page and our website to let you know about some of the things that we do here outside of the office and outside the courtroom. We believe in volunteering, and we believe in especially working with our schools, and that includes our law schools. And one thing that I was privileged to do last night was to judge a trial competition at the Cumberland School of Law at Sanford University. Um, Both myself and Brett um, were graduates of the University of Alabama School of Law, and we're proud graduates. But being here in Birmingham, we're often asked to help with Cumberland's programs. And one of their programs is the trial advocacy program. And that's where students in law school take a problem, a fact pattern of a criminal case or maybe a civil case, and they are assigned roles, the being the plaintiff or being the defendant in a civil case or being the prosecution or the defense in a criminal case. And so last night I was asked to judge one of the rounds of a trial competition at Cumberland. So these students put a lot of effort into preparing for these cases. Now, obviously, they're limited in how many witnesses they can call and how long the trials can go on, but it's really great practice for law students to learn how to try a case in real life. When I was in law school at the University of Alabama, I was on the national trial team there, and a lot of the skills that I learned all those years ago at Alabama, going all over the country, trying cases against other law schools, I use every day in my practice. So we're always happy to help to give back a little bit to those students that are a part of the same thing that we went through when we were in law school. Cumberland does a great job of preparing their students for trying cases in real life, just as our alma mater at the University of Alabama does. And the students last night did a great job with a very difficult problem. It was a criminal problem. It was, in essence, a murder trial where the issue was perhaps it was an accidental shooting. And so there are some entertaining facts in these cases, and that kind of makes it easier for the students to get involved in it, and it makes it easier for the judges who are asked to come and watch and score these students. And that's one thing we had to do, was score the advocates on their skill in the courtroom. And it's a very enjoyable process to be a part of, because you know you're helping soon-to-be lawyers honing their skills. And I think about all the lawyers that came and sat and watched our practice rounds and came and helped judge the competitions that we were a part of when I was in law school, and I appreciate all the feedback and comments that they gave me. I think it made me a better lawyer, and so I'm honored that Cumberland would ask us to come help them judge their trial competition last night. So just an update about things that are going on here outside of the office and outside of the courtroom, and I hope to give you more updates in the very near future about things that we're doing here inside the office and for our clients. So thanks very much.